Reconditioned JRCS starter control units. For testing, we add an 18-volt AC power supply and a multimeter. By adding the power supply, the unit reacts and the LED indicators light up. By pressing the start button of the unit, we can see the contact opening and closing, evident by the buzzer of the multimeter. By pressing the auto/manual button, the LED lights up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process is repeated for the second starter control unit, as well as the third unit.
They give back.
It is now clear that all three starter control units are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.